Today, I'll show you how to add a background video to your Webflow project. This feature can dramatically enhance the visual appeal of your website, making it more engaging and dynamic. Whether you're looking to create a stunning portfolio, a captivating landing page, or any other type of web content, adding a background video in Webflow is a straightforward process. So let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to webflow.com. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Webflow dashboard. Here, you'll find a list of all your sites. Select the site where you want to add the background video. Clicking on the site will take you into the Webflow Designer, the main workspace where you can customize the look and feel of your site. Now that you're in the Webflow Designer, focus your attention on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll notice a variety of tools and options available. Look for the Add Element button, which is represented by a small plus icon. Clicking this will open a panel that displays a range of elements you can add to your site. In the search bar at the top of the Elements panel, type in Video. This will filter the elements, making it easier to find what you're looking for. Among the results, you'll see an option labeled Background Video. Click on this option to select it. Once you've selected the background video element, you'll want to place it on your canvas. Click on the canvas area where you'd like your background video to appear. You can always adjust its position later, so just choose an area that makes sense for your design. With the background video element now on your canvas, you'll see an option that says Upload Video. Clicking this will open a file browser window where you can select the video file you wish to use. Webflow supports common video formats, but it's always a good idea to check the file size and format requirements to ensure a smooth upload. Once you've selected your file, click Open to upload it to your site. After the upload is complete, you'll see your video playing in the background on your canvas. From here, you can adjust various settings like the video's position, size, and playback options to better fit the overall design of your site. Remember, a background video should complement your content and not distract from it, so consider tweaking these settings to achieve the best balance. And that's it. You've successfully added a background video to your Webflow site. By following these steps, you can easily incorporate multimedia elements that enhance the storytelling and visual appeal of your website. Feel free to experiment with different videos and settings to see what works best for your project. Thanks for watching and happy designing.